Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to today. So today we're moving about 6 inches of fresh snow with the Kubota BX2230D using the front snowblower and the rear blade. This is one of those snowfalls where you're like, not terrible, but also if you don't deal with it now, you're gonna hate yourself tomorrow. And yes, before anyone comments, yes, it is a small tractor. Yes, it's old. But yes, it still absolutely gets it done. And no, I didn't shovel a single inch of this by hand because I value my back and my happiness. So conditions today, about 6 inches, light to medium density snow. Not super wet, not powder either. Kind of that perfect snowblower snow, where everything just works if you do things right. I'm running the Kubota BX2230D with a front mounted 50-inch snowblower and a rear back blade for cleanup and scraping. This combo is honestly underrated. The blower handles the volume, the blade cleans everything up, especially near the garage and the edges. Now, quick side note, if you hear someone in the background calling me a big back or yelling double chin, yeah, that's my kid. Kids are absolutely savage. They don't care that you're older, you're wiser, or you own a tractor. They remember everything. I'll be out here just trying to move snow, living my best life, and she's like, "Dad, remember when you had a double chin?" Thanks. I appreciate the motivation. To be fair, she's not wrong. I used to be overweight. Now I just have a tractor operator build. Very aerodynamic, optimized for sitting. Why I use both blower and blade? So let's talk strategy. I don't just fire up the snowblower and go full send everywhere. Here's what I do. First pass, snowblower, takes the bulk. Second pass, back blade, cleans it up, scrapes, and leaves it looking sharp. The blower keeps the snow from stacking up and narrowing the driveway. The blade cleans near the garage, scrapes packed snow, makes it look like I actually know what I'm doing. And yes, I could just plow everything with the blade, but then I'd be pushing snow halfway to the neighbor's house by February. Alright, let's talk about shear bolts. Because if you own a snowblower and you haven't broken one, you either just bought it or you're lying. Shear bolts exist for a reason. They're not a design flaw. They're there to save your gearbox when you hit ice chunks, frozen gravel, that one rock you forgot was there. Now here's the big tip that saves your shear bolts. Power down your PTO before engaging the snowblower. I cannot stress this enough. Do not rev the engine and slam the PTO on and wonder why, snap, there goes a shear bolt. Instead, idle the tractor down, engage the PTO smoothly, let everything spin up, then bring the RPMs up. Doing this alone will save you money, time, and walking back to the garage in a snowstorm saying words your kids should not hear. Once the bulk is gone, I switch to the back blade. This is where the driveway edges get cleaned, snow gets pulled away from buildings, everything looks finished. Angle the blade slightly and take light passes. You're not plowing a highway, you're cleaning your driveway. so you don't slip later and end up becoming a viral video for the wrong reason. At this point, my kid's usually watching like, "Wow, Dad, you used to be way bigger than this. Cool story, man." Listen, if owning a tractor, blowing snow, and getting roasted by your kid isn't peak dad life, I don't know what is. Honestly though, I love that she hangs out and watches, even if the commentary is ruthless. 6 inches is perfect snowblower weather. The BX2230D handles it like a champ. Blower and back blade is a killer combo. Remember, idle down before engaging your PTO. Shear bolts are your friends, not enemies. Take your time, don't rush, and let the equipment work the way it was designed. If you found this helpful or entertaining, hit that like button. If you've ever broken a shear bolt because you are impatient, drop a comment, you're not alone. And if your kid has ever roasted you harder than the internet ever could, yeah, same. Thanks for watching, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.